In this question, vector P is given, vector Q is given, and it is also given that this vector is equal to alpha times vector 2P plus vector Q plus beta times vector P minus 2 times vector Q plus gamma times vector P cross vector Q. Then we have to find value of gamma. First of all, we find 2 times vector P plus vector Q, 2 times P. We write here and here write Q. After adding, we get 2 times vector P plus Q. Similarly, now we find vector P minus 2 times vector Q, vector P, right from here, 2 times vector Q, multiply both sides by 2 and write here. For subtracting, change sign everywhere. And now add P minus 2Q is equal to this, and this will be cancelled out. There will be left 3J plus K cap. We write here P minus vector P minus 2 times vector Q. This is formula. If vector A be this, vector B be this, then A cross B is equal to IJK A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. By using this formula, we write here P cross Q, vector P cross vector Q, IJK in the first row, 2, 1, 3 in the second row, 1 minus 1, 1 in the third row. After expanding this determinant, we get this. That means vector P cross vector Q is equal to this. We write this here. It is given in the question that this vector is equal to this. In the RHS of this relation, we put value of 2 times vector P plus Q from here, P minus 2 times vector Q from here, and vector P cross vector Q from here. Then we get alpha times this vector plus beta times this vector plus gamma times this vector is equal to 15I cap plus 10J cap plus 6K cap. After simplifying it, we get this. If two vectors expressed in terms of IJK be equal, then coefficient of I in both vector will be equal, coefficient of J in both vector will be equal, and coefficient of K in both the vectors will be equal. Here this vector is equal to this vector, therefore coefficient of I will be equal to coefficient of I. Similarly, this will be equal to this. and this will be equal to this. We suppose this 1 number, this 2 number, this 3 number. Multiply both sides of 3 by number 3 and subtract it from 2 number and get this. Suppose this is 4 number. Now we multiply 1 both sides by number 4 and then add it with this 4 number and get this. From this we get value of gamma is equal to 2 after dividing 52 by 26.